What if Advantech could promise you that your system could recover from a crash with just one SSD and a single click? With the SQF 660BR series, our OS backup and recovery SSD, your data stays protected from unexpected system interruptions. When we're committed to thorough SSD defect analysis at our service centers, many customers prefer not to return their SSDs. In 24/7 operations, restarting the SSD quickly takes priority over analysis. In sensitive fields like medical or military applications, confidentiality is the key. Customers often need to keep the SSD on hand and resolve issues quickly. SQ Flash now offers a powerful new feature, SSD backup and recovery performed by the SSD itself. This lets you resolve issues immediately. No need to return the unit to a service center for repair. Unlike traditional hardware or software backup solutions, the SQF 660BR series uses firmware to recover your data. It enables real-time, on-site recovery based on your custom backup settings. With just a simple command, like the click of a button, the system can reboot. It's user-friendly for operators and highly cost-efficient, saving both hardware and labor costs while reducing downtime through a streamlined process. The SQF 660BR sample kit includes an SSD and a cable, and is ideal for applications like automated manufacturing, self-service POS, and ATMs. With seamless data transfer and built-in backup, you won't have to worry about crashes. Local recovery is just a click away.